When do you see electric PWCs becoming mainstream? Well, it's going to take a while. Sea-Doo will be the first of the mainstream. I got an invite by Taiga Watercraft to go out in July to go test ride the new Orca. Unfortunately, it falls exactly in the middle of a photo shoot that we're doing for Sea-Doo with the GTX, and I'm kind of locked in with Sea-Doo on that one. So I let the people at Taiga know that I was unavailable for that week, but I could make time another week. Just, throw me some dates. I haven't heard back yet. I'll follow up. We know that Sea-Doo is working on the e-GTI, which is their electric GTI. I don't know any of the power output numbers. I don't know anything about the battery life. They're pretty hush about that. What I do know is when the electric GTI comes out, you'll see an electric switch. Those powertrains will be interchangeable. They'll not interchangeable, but they'll be shared. What about Yamaha? What about Cowie? Cowie, I think, will be the very last one if it is mainstream. I highly doubt that you will see a lot of docks that have effectively a rapid charging station. I don't see that happening.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.